Okay, guys, so we're out here for Survival 4. Okay, guys, let's... So we actually hit Survival 4 finally, and we're actually going to be out here in the Sahara snow area. So here in the Sahara snow area, we're going to be looking for little pests. We're going to show you what to do when there's a drought. We're going to be helping you figure out all the things you need to survive and what you need to survive and how you're going to go about it. Okay, so guys, we should be good. Guys, you can take off the set. Yeah, thanks. So, okay, yeah, we can't afford that tree anymore. Okay, guys, so we're out here. We out here in the Sahara and snow area. Do you guys see that? Do you guys hear that? No, guys, we gotta get closer to this. But before we go, you have to know these places have a very high toxicity. They have a very high toxicity in birds. A lot of birds. And if we ever encounter a bird, we're done for. So come on, here we go. Oh my god! We're gonna go fast. Come on. We gotta go fast. Okay, remember, these mountains are very hard to climb because I didn't know it was gonna be this bad. It was all a joke when I started. I didn't mean for my career to go this hard, but now it is. I think that we're in a safe place. I suggest, guys, we have to cut the cameras. We're gonna die. Guys, cut the cameras. So, we found a whole tree right here. I'm gonna show you what it really means to survive by climbing this tree. We could hang out sometime. We could totally like. What was that? Did you see that? What was that? If we get attacked at all right now, we're gonna be very vulnerable. Whoa! There's a whole. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. There are walking trees here in the Saharan snow areas, and what you do to a walking tree like this is you have to pick up your local stick, right? Just like this. Yeah, it doesn't have to be that thick. It can be like very like quick, nimble, and you have to start poking at the tree. Okay? You're gonna want to poke it exactly like this. Ow! See? It makes the noise if you get it in a very vital spot. Ouch! See? But if you ever poke too hard, something bad is gonna happen. And hopefully, if we don't poke it hard enough, guys. NANI?! For today's food, we're going to be reviewing the lowland palm branch. So this thing has a lot of nutrients in it. Mostly in these little needles right here. These things pack a lot of nutrients.
Whoa,
and all you
man.
have to...
You can't be tearing the limbs off trees. If somebody started tearing your limbs off, would you like that?
No.
Would you like that? Trees are alive, man. They can feel it.
Are you really?
They can feel it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Would you start pulling at trees?
Yeah.
They can feel it, man.
Dude, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I'm learning.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You know, I'm not angry that you did this.
Yeah.
I'm just disappointed.
Oh, okay.
Be better next time.
Thank you. Oh, what was that? Yo, whoa! Yo, oh my god, yo. Looks like I got ransacked and all my gear. Guys, I figured it out. we weren't in the Saharan the Saharan snow area. We've been in the Antarctic deserts. We've been in the Alaskan deserts. We've been in the Alaskan deserts the whole time. This is all fake. They know that we're here, guys. This tree, it's fake. Guys, this dude right here, he's fake. Guys, he's not real. Look, guys, come on, we gotta go. What's your name? Who are you? Who are you? Dude?
We're not supposed to say.
You're not supposed to say?
No.
Whoa, man. Whoa, all this activity, you'll get dehydrated. Have some water.
Did you say water?
Oh no.
Water. Did he say water? That's the last straw. What did I... What have I been teaching since day one? This is... You don't need water to survive! Nobody needs water to survive! The tree's back again! Tree out of here! Ugh. I didn't pay for that tree. Any funds that went to that tree, they're back to be mine. They're mine now. Cut the tape! Okay guys, so we have to find a shelter soon, so I think we should just get on that. Actually, it's starting to almost become morning. Do you see that? All the light that's starting to peek through. So let's go find shelter. Let's just go up. Stay close. This is gonna be weird. You guys don't know what the Alaskan deserts are like, but I'm here for you guys. Don't pay any attention to them. It's all just a trap. I know it.
I am Groot.
Come on, keep going. Keep going. I'm assuming that, cameraman, you're gonna sleep right there. I'll sleep somewhat right here. It's a bit dirty, but we can fix that. Oh shoot! Look what's happening. Look what's happening, guys. Start getting up. Trees. Cut the tape. Me. I'm filming survival for me. What? What's that? What's that? Wait. This is water. We've been ransacked, guys. We gotta go. What are you guys doing here? What are the people? What's that? Everybody get out of the way. Trees. It's not worth it. Trees. Trees.
Order! We have to focus at the matter at hand.
Ridiculous. We have more fish to fry, my friend. The question we have come here to answer: should this man live?
You can't do that. That's illegal.
Me. I'm just sleeping. You know, I did feel really bad. Thank you so much. Oh, I didn't even see you guys there.
Hey guys, so thank you guys so much for watching the video I just made. If you liked it, please hit the like button below. If you like the videos that I make on my channel, just hit the subscribe button. It's a really good video. It's a good channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys out. See you guys. Peace out. Peace. May the force be with you. Did you guys call it, or is it still going?
Me.
Oh my god.